Doppler radar indicated that up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Additional rain is possible. Also, water has been reported by law enforcement and emergency managers over numerous roads with road closures. Some locations that will experience flooding include Peoria, Pekin, Eureka, Lakin, East Peoria, Morton, Washington, Bartonville, Chillicothe, Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Metamora, Germantown Hills, Marquette Heights, El Paso, Tremont, Elmwood, Minooka, Roanoke, and Bellevue. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 12 and 31. Interstate 39 between mile markers 10 and 40. Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 68 and 117. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The flash flood watch continues.